पुढे या मासो असं जमा ताई रितेश मासो सोगल एक दोन काढून जातो रे
सो टुडे आम्ही आमचे जे आमदार बाब बेन्झी वेगस, बाब एंटन डिकोस्टा, बाब विरेश, बाब क्रूज, दुसरे आमचे पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष बाब अमित पाटकर, आम आदमी पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष बाब अमित पालेकर, दुसरे आमचे आरजीचे ट्रेजरर बाब अजय, आमचे शिवसेनाचे प्रेसिडेंट बाब गीतेश, टीएमसीचे प्रेसिडेंट बाब समील. We went to the Honorable Governor and we submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Governor, and we requested the Honorable Governor for him to intervene using his good office and highlighting certain issues and sentiments of the people of Goa about this insensitive BJP government. The Honorable Governor gave us a patient hearing, and he said that he would write to the Honorable Chief Minister about the memorandum that we submitted. दोन मुद्दे आशिल्ले. एक मुद्दे जे census ही सर्वे जावपाक जाय immediate, and second is communal disharmony. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा जेन्ना ST, SC आनी OBC हो इश्यू जेन्ना आमी ऑपोजिशनान विधानसभेन गेलो की एक आमचे ST, SC आनी OBC भावाचेर एक अन्याय जाता आनी ताबडतोब सरकारान जो अन्याय जाता जे रिप्रेझेंटेशन ते ऑर्गनायझेशनाक सरकाराक दिला, गव्हर्नमेंटाचे वॉट दे हॅव गिवन, हेजेर तेमी घेवन ते कांयच मुखार हेजें कांयच मुखार कोण दवरना. फकत हेमी जी भारतीय जनता पार्टी हा, विच इज अ भारतीय जुमला पार्टी, जुमलाबाजी करपाक नंबर 1. दे हॅड अश्योर्ड अस, आय बिलीव इट वॉज जेन्ना बाब क्रुजान एक कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घातलेलें त्या वेळार आमकां अश्योर केलेलें एक डेलिगेशन घेवन ते वयतले, दिल्ली वयतले, बट दॅट लेटर केम इन द नेगेटिव्ह. नाव जे ST, SC and OBC जे community, they have threatened that they would boycott the parliamentary elections. And yesterday, 2 days ago, je Biharant, the Bihar government has released census with regarding the states, je ST, EBC, OBC, je population ha general category, they have raised, they've given these figures out. The same formula we have requested the Honorable Governor that the Chief Minister tabortob tene korpak jay. The Bihar government has spent about 500 crores. They have a population of 13 crores 20 lakhs, and they have spent 9 months doing it. Goa has a population of 15 lakhs, which is 1.20% of Bihar's population. And with the government officials or with the strength, if we compare both Bihar and Goa, this census can be done within 6 crores rupees and within 3 months. Immediately, the state government should act rather than fooling the people. Immediately, जे केंद्र सरकार डिक्लेअर करता, हे केंद्र सरकारान इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक जाय. इम्प्लिमेंट करता जेन्ना वुमन रिजर्वेशनाचो इश्यू जालो, they have said that they would give them reservation as well. केन्ना जातले हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता. What is important is that this census should be placed. We demand that there is a census placed in 2012 that could also be used. It could be implemented. But this government is not serious. They are playing with the sentiments of the ST, SA, OBC people. Ami speakera lagi maglele. And all the people in the opposition spoke in favor of this reservation. We welcome the women reservation, but when will it be implemented? This government is only playing with the sentiments of the people of Goa, and we are with the ST, SC, OBC people, and we are with them. We will fight together with them. Regarding the communal disharmony, जे आज गोयान घडटा आणि जेन्ना इलेक्शनाचो वेळ येता हे सगळे communal disharmony, you can see this. It is not a new thing, but today the situation is gone from bad to worse. It is shocking that when we discuss these issues in the Legislative Assembly, these tainted elements or anti-social elements were seen in the lobby of the Legislative Assembly. Ruling आमदार मुडाले ब्लॅक कोट मुनीस भोंवताय मो पण हेही मुनीस जे एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट आहे हेही भोंवताले. टुडे जी कम्युनल हार्मनी आमगेली गोंयकारागेली एक आयडेंटिटी आहा. And today we cannot afford, we being a touristic place, we cannot afford to set an example. So we need to nip the culprit from its bud. This needs to happen immediately. Proactive measures needs to be taken. We have briefed the Honorable Governor that he briefs the Honorable Chief Minister. The Honorable Chief Minister warns the people that if you make such statements, then it will not be taken easy. I believe that the Honorable Chief Minister should first practice what he preaches. He was speaking about colonial mindset. This concept to divide was started by this government. To divide and rule. But we unitedly, in Goa's interest, we have decided that we are all going to be together. We will not allow this communal disharmony to happen.
What governor has shared?
No, see, governor has said that he will look into it. He would write to the chief minister about it. And the ST-SC thing is something that is a long pending demand. And they can do it. Tenka ST-SC bawang photo ita marite. The photo of kitu pasun chaltole. Now Bihar has given an example. You implement it. Are je scheme hai, or je job hai, or educational institution hai. Let it go. It all depends on data. What data does the state government has? Has no data. So collect the data. Bihar has done it in 9 months. You can do it in 3 months. Collect the data so that government schemes are implemented scientifically with data, right, rather than going blind.
Opposition leader, all MLA'S are together. All opposition are together.
See, you can't. What is the definition?
One is missing.
See, we are all united. I have always been saying, let us not divide ourselves. I am not here to divide. I am not here to comment about any other political parties. We are all together as opposition. We fought. I request you all as well. Please do not divide us. We are. No, that you can possibly ask him. We are all united. I'll tell you, we are all united.
But last time he only had given the bite saying that there is no united opposition.
So that now you can see all the political parties are here. Where is the question? So you can ask that.
No, but Vijaya खबरच ना म्हणता विजय. आप वचपाचे आसा म्हणून.
Baba, Vijaya, let us not divide ourselves. All of us are united.
But तुम्ही विजयाक सांगलेले sir.
See, all are invited and all are here and we are all united over here.
Vijay was invited and he didn't come, sir.
See, all who are here are all united.
विजय म्हणता आपल्या खबरूच ना काय सांगूकूच ना म्हणता सर.
बाबा आम्ही युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन कळलो का
तो ऑपोजिशन ना आता विजय ना
तो युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन तो किती जाता I just heard him saying that he's not part of the united opposition. He's saying no, opposition not united. आता त्याने सांगेल मरे. So we are all united is what I'm saying, and it is high time we get united. Why should we equidistance ourselves? We have to be together. We have to fight for Goa and Goans. I cannot single-handedly win Goa. We have to work together. RG also understands it. Aam Aadmi Party also understands it. TMC also understands it, Shiv Sena also understands it, Congress also understands it. So everyone needs to understand it.
सर तेच म्हणता पण विजय क्लिअर नाही.
That
I
to
think the
you question
important
him.
message is about the governor and the focus is about the unity what you see here. The message is communal harmony needs to be presented rather than diverting the question here and there. Important is the message has gone to the governor. Our LOP has spoken. I think that should be the focus of it.
एवरी बाब तुम्ही म्हटले की बिहार गव्हर्नमेंटान सेन्सस डिक्लेअर केले दिल्ली आसा म्हणून सो जय जय कर्नाटक काँग्रेसाचे सरकार खंयच्या खंयच्या स्टेटीन आसा त्या स्टेटीन सुद्धा काँग्रेस
See,
सरकार
they have said now it has just come in. Madhya Pradesh, I think our party has declared that the minute we come into power, they will do it. I believe in Karnataka also they are using the same formula. So the need of the hour is what? Why injustice to ST, SC, OBC? The Supreme Court has given her a judgment and Bihar has done it. So why wait for the central government? Why wait for 2026? Why wait for 2029? या पोके फार किती हमारे पारे आंच जावपास आहे नो सारखे मागते.
So same question for Venje also that Delhi government will be providing the census for the central government like the Bihar government has provided.
See, one thing is there. Today's entire topic is about the governor meeting him and making him understand what Goa needs. See, every state will have their own way of functioning. We are all with our LOP. We are here that unitedly you all deserve better and you all should get better. That is the whole topic. And the whole topic is here to show that unity. And that is the reason we have gone to the governor. So the message is clear. But now we want everybody, including you all, to get what good governance should deliver. And that is what the LOP is heading us with.
Sir, in the state of Goa, he is trying to produce hate.
What?
In the state of Goa, he is trying to produce hate, according to you.
See, all these elements are well known. They were also seen in the Legislative Assembly, some of them. So they are on camera. There are several other elements spread across the state. Pramod Mutale ka ban kelo hamare. Te basi ban kora ye element hak. Who are you act rather than just talking about and trying to divide. You act. When you act, they are going to keep quiet. नाजाल्यार हें वाडत आसतलें आनी एम्बोन जावपा ना एम्बोन जावपाक जाय सिरियस जाल्यार यू एक्ट
गव्हर्नर तुम्ही त्यांना तुम्ही मांडले तुम्ही मेमोरंडम दिले जाल्यार गव्हर्नर एग्री जालो तुमचे हेजेर
so he has understood the sentiments of the people. Everyone knows it. Even you are aware of it. So we have presented our memorandum. Now it is up to him how he takes it forward. He has said that he would write to the chief minister. Thank you.
Sir, one photo. It's photo.